Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can apply uppercase to your text and words on Google Sheets. So let us get started right away. Now, right from the get-go, guys, there's no direct function or feature here on Google Sheets that may allow you to switch from lowercase to uppercase or to title case for your words and cells here, for example. If we take a look at that list here, you will see that that column here contains cells with names, and these names have been written in without uppercase. So if you'd like to convert all of them at once into uppercase, you may apply the following trick. Simply highlight all of these cells you would like to convert into uppercase, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy that list. After that, head over to Google Docs and paste your list here into a new blank document. Confirm by clicking on paste here to paste the entire table, just like that. And after that, highlight the entire table by pressing Ctrl+A, just like that. Click on Format here at the top, hover your mouse over text. Here to the right, hover your mouse over capitalization and select uppercase to apply the uppercase. And after that, copy the entire table again, head over or head back to your list or your spreadsheet on Google Sheets and paste your uppercase list here, just like that. And as you can see, all of these names now contain uppercases. Now you may of course keep customizing it and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.